In this video we are going to convert this BCD to Graycode. So for this, first we split these BCD here. We check this XOR table. So in the first place, this goes here. So this 0, always the first digit comes as it is. Now we are going to make XOR from 0 and 1. So make XOR. So 0 1 means 1. So the answer is, so we write 1 as answer. Now we take 1 and 1 as a XOR. So 1 and 1 means 0. So this 1 and 1 XOR means 0, and 1 and 0 we take XOR of 1 and 0, which is 1 0, which is 1. So we write 1 here. So this is our Graycode. Now we check another example. First we write this 0 1 1 and 1. Now this comes as it is here. Now we are going to take XOR of 0 and 1. So it's 0 1 means 1. So our answer is now 1. Now we are going to take XOR of 1 and 1. So our answer is 0. Now we take XOR of 1 and 1. So our answer became 0. So this is our Graycode. Thank you.